It is a new year, and that means new responsibilities, new opportunities, and maybe a whole new relocation. And if you need to get rid of your house quick, do not fret. I've got the perfect person for you. It is Connie with She Buys 417 Homes. Connie, so great to see you again.
You too. Thanks for being here.
Of course. Okay, so it is kind of in the name. She Buys 417 Homes. But it goes a lot deeper than that. So would you mind kind of filling me in on what exactly She Buys 417 Homes does?
Yeah, so a lot of people, when they're selling their homes, they don't want to use a realtor. There's a time and a place for it. But if somebody doesn't have the money or the time, what they'll do is they'll give me a call. And I'm able to do a quick close, usually. I can do repairs, and it just makes the process a lot easier.
Okay, so when I think homes, I mean, what kind of homes are we talking? Are we talking, single family homes, mansions, sheds? What kind of homes do you buy?
So I can buy any kind of home, single family, multifamily, commercial property. I have bought houses in great condition, houses that aren't in great condition, storage facilities, and land. I can do it all.
Okay, what does the process from when I give you a call to that closing? How many days are we looking at? Yeah. Is it cash in hand? Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, so when most people call me, they are stressed, overwhelmed, or frustrated. So what I do is I try and simplify that process for them. It starts with a very short phone call. We talk about their property, we talk about their situation. From there, we'll schedule a walkthrough, and then I can make an offer. If they choose to accept that offer, we can be at a closing table in as little as 7 to 10 days.
Wow, 7 to 10 days. And I know quick turnaround is the thing. Life comes at you fast and it doesn't slow down.
It does.
Okay, so we've got the house in check. I give you a call and we're at the closing table, 7 to 10 days. But what about all the stuff that I can't take with me? I'm at a loss here. Can you help me?
Absolutely. So when we say we buy as is, we mean we buy as is. We can do all the repairs. We can get rid of the things you do not want, and you can walk out and go to the closing table and just get money in hand.
You are really taking the stress out of this. So for example, this is a vacant property that you're currently working on, but
yes,
we see, there's quite a bit of stuff still left over. So this was from the previous person that owned it.
Correct.
And you're able to, again, just take care of it and let their stress kind of go to the wayside.
Yes, this seller was moving to a city, was downsizing quite a bit, needed to do it quickly. So we came in, we're doing all the repairs. Anything that he did not want, he just left in the house. We have moved to the garage, but he was able to walk out and do it very, very quickly. This actually took from the time we got the call to the time we closed, it was about 10 days.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. And final thing that I know a lot of people, they might be thinking, okay, where's the red tape? It sounds too good to be true. So what about those hidden fees, those commissions? How does She Buy 417 Homes deal with those?
Yeah, so that is a surprising thing when you're sitting at the closing table and you see that realtors have taken 6% commission, or the closing costs themselves, they're 2 to 5% usually. So what I do is I pay all closing costs. I'm not a realtor, so I don't take any of the commissions. So there's no hidden fees. The offer that I make is the offer that you get.
I love it. The offer that Connie makes is the offer that you get. And again, you can be at that closing table within 7 to 10 days. Yeah. House as is. Easy peasy. So what is the best way for our viewers to get a hold of you, to talk to you and learn more about, how you can help them?
Yeah, you can give me a call, 417-839-3222. Or you can go to the website. It's shebuys417homes.com.
All right, you guys, you heard her. If you are in a bind and you need to, get rid of your property quick, Connie is the person to call. Just remember, She Buys 417 Homes.